Ever wondered about the intricate details of the bubble sort algorithm? Brace yourself, because today we're plunging into the captivating realm of this specific algorithm. This simple yet effective strategy is used by computers all over the world to organize data. Scene script. Imagine you have a row of numbers all jumbled up and you need to arrange them in ascending order. The bubble sort algorithm does exactly that, but in a very systematic way. Start at the beginning of the list. Compare the first two numbers. If the number on the right is smaller than the one on the left, swap them. This swapping is the bubble in bubble sort. It's as if the smaller number is a bubble rising to the surface. If the number on the right is larger, leave them as they are. Then move one step to the right and repeat the process. Go through the entire list this way. Output. In doing so, you will have moved the largest number to the end of the list. This completes the first pass of the bubble sort. But we're not done yet. The rest of the list is still unsorted. So, what do? We repeat the process. Start again from the beginning, comparing and swapping numbers as needed. With each pass, the next largest number will move or bubble up to its correct place at the end of the list. Continue making passes through the list until you make a pass with no swaps. That's when you stop. The list is now sorted. This might sound like a lot of work, and in a way, it is. Bubble sort is not the most efficient sorting algorithm out there, especially for large lists. It has a worst case and average time complexity of O(n)(, where n is the number of items being sorted. That means the time it takes to sort the data increases exponentially with the size of the list. But bubble sort has its advantages too. It's straightforward and easy to understand. It's also easy to implement, and for small lists it works just fine. Plus, it has a cool feature. It can detect whether a list is already sorted. If it makes a pass through the list without doing any swaps, it knows the list is sorted, and it can stop right there. So, there you have it. That's bubble sort in a nutshell. It's a simple comparison-based algorithm that works by repeatedly swapping adjacent elements if they are in the wrong order. It might not be the fastest kid on the block, but it's reliable, easy to understand, and a great starting point for anyone looking to delve into the world of algorithms. Remember, bubble sort is just one of many sorting algorithms. There's a whole world of them out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses, and each suited to different kinds of problems. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep sorting.